Are you wondering how much a residential lift costs? Let's break it down. The main factors affecting the cost of your residential elevator are the model and size, the number of floors, installation complexity, and customization options. Residential lifts come in various styles and sizes, depending on your needs. On average, a basic residential lift servicing 2 floors has a starting price from the figure here. However, the total cost also depends on how much construction work is needed to install the lift. Cibes home lifts, for example, are delivered ready-made, including the lift shaft to speed up the installation time and reduce your building costs. In addition, Cibes screw-driven lifts require less maintenance than hydraulic and belt-driven lifts. Are you ready for a personalized quote? Click the link below to get in touch with our sales experts.